Welcome back to Houston Life. When it comes to your dental health, a smile is not one size fits all. That's where the team at Texas Dental Implant Center comes in. They use advanced technology with their OneArch procedure to help restore a patient's teeth. Here with more is Dr. Michelle Azar from Texas Dental Implant Center, along with one of his patients, Rodney Blue Jacket. Welcome to you both.
Hey, thank you. How are you?
We're doing well, doing well. It's so good to see you. So Rodney, I want to start with you because I want to get into the technology behind the OneArch, but Rodney, tell us why you're sitting on this couch. What brought you to Dr. Michelle?
Well, actually, I was in the kitchen eating a sandwich one day, and I had a 3-tooth bridge that literally fell out of my head.
Really?
It did, and about 2 or 3 days later, I was watching TV, and I saw Dr. Azar on TV.
You know, someone like Rodney that's experiencing what he's experienced, he's not alone. He's not alone in that. You have very similar patients coming in. What types of things are they experiencing before they come and see you?
The dental problems in general is very common, and the number one reason why someone would avoid going to a dentist is fear.
Right.
Fear of unknown, fear of pain, previous dental experience, and that's what we try to break to our patients so that they can pursue their dream smile or being able to chew efficiently and smile and basically enjoy their lives.
Right.
Yeah. So with Rodney, he had a list of medical history where we had to clear before we do this procedure. Some of it can be side effects because of the dental condition of it, and vice versa. Medical conditions can cause dental issues. So after clearing him for the procedure, it was just only 1 day to place the implants and get this procedure done, and then transform him to where he is now. It's a process where we do the oral reconstruction, as we refer to it, and a lot of technology has helped us nowadays to cut down the time of the treatment and the number of visits to where we are now.
Wow. So the team over at Texas Dental Implant Center has helped many patients like Rodney. Dr. Azar, what are some of the reasons, though, when you see this bone loss around the jaw, what is happening there? Why are people experiencing that?
So there are many reasons for bone loss to occur. One of them can be a side effect of medications or medical conditions. Diabetes is one of them. Chemotherapy can be also. Or it can be bone loss around teeth because the teeth have too much infection around them. With the OneArch procedure, what we do is we eliminate the infection from happening and also revive the vital structures or the vital bone that's available in the mouth and preserve it for the future, so it won't have the same degree of bone loss as it were if the teeth were in.
Wow, we were actually just seeing the animation of you, of the graphic design of you fixing
that's his teeth
inside of Rodney's mouth. That is amazing.
Right. Yeah.
And you were talking about the time, how you've been able to, you know, it's a process, but how long does it take for patients to actually experience the results like Rodney's?
So normally it's a 24-hour transformation. We do the procedure first, and the patient get their first teeth within 24 hours.
Wow.
And then after that, we work with them over the next few months on learning how to eat with the teeth, and also we're waiting on the implants to fully integrate. And then we deliver the final teeth, which are very strong. I mean, you can chew anything with these teeth.
Wow. We're looking at this process. So explain to our viewers what's going on here.
What we're seeing here is how the implants get anchored into the bone, and then the teeth are then attached to them. Nowadays, we're doing the teeth all digitally made, so everything is generated on the computer. We take in consideration the facial features, so there's no two patients who have the same exact teeth, and that's how we're able to get to this final result, all computer-based.
Yeah, and this final result isn't just a result. I mean, it's a person. Rodney, how do you feel seeing that, and how are you feeling now?
Oh, I'm feeling much better now. I mean, I was literally freaking out, like you had teeth fall out of your head. But I've had problems with my teeth all my life, but I've got my teeth worked on, but basically they were bridges, and eventually, you know, they're going to fail. And then I've had some medical issues too. So I'm quite happy with them.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about what I'm eating, and bite-wise, strength-wise, I think it's what, about 90-95%, I would think.
Nice. I would take that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you guys so much, Rodney Blue Jacket, Dr. Michelle.
Thanks for having us.
It's always a pleasure to see you here, and it's just amazing seeing the before and after of your work. So
Thank you for having us.
yeah, absolutely. The Texas Dental Implant Center has a special offer for our Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation. After a short pre-qualification call, the consultation will include a one-on-one doctor consultation with Dr. Azar and a 3D scan and x-rays. That is usually a $1,000 value. So if you'd like to schedule that appointment, call 346-OneArch. That works out to be 346-663-2724. You can also visit them online at the website bestdentalimplantshouston.com. Don't go anywhere. Houston Life will be right back.